So we are actually going to be looking at we want to actually going to be looking at what you'll be knowing or what will be our target. So I guess by now you should be seeing. Okay, so what we'll be doing is actually Chrome extension, a Chrome extension. Okay, that will be the very first web application, the web application that will start off with HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and we'll also be building alongside a screen recorder and a webcam app. Then next, we'll be looking at game development using Python and JavaScript, and we'll also be building alongside a contact phone app, something like Truecaller and other phone application. We'll make it for the web and make it mobile phones too. So lastly, we'll be looking at network hacking. Network hacking. For network hacking, we'll be looking at using Python to recover password for recover Wi-Fi passwords and also to secure sites against script injection. So this is actually what we'll be doing. Okay, this is actually what we'll be doing. Now, aside with this is actually what we'll be doing. Now, why I'm saying so is that we want to just start off from anywhere. We'll start off from here. The tech stack, the database, and the target platform. Okay. So the tech stack, you will be using React and Django. The database will be Google, Firebase, Mongo, and Postgres. Then the target platforms we'll be building for is the web as number one, and Mac and Windows. Okay. So this is actually what we will be doing. All right. The next slide now. Sorry, it's not Flutter. Actually, we'll be looking at something close to Flutter, just like how Flutter is like write once, run anyway. We'll be using React to do that too. So just like Flutter is one code base, multiple application. We can use a single code base for multiple platforms such as Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux and web. So we will be using React to build for Android, for iOS, for Windows, for Mac, for Linux and web. We'll also be using Python. Whatever applications we'll be building, we'll also do same using Python. So that's the presentation so far, the intro to what you'll be learning. And then for the mobile app users, Tribe Edit is what you'll be using. Meanwhile, for the iOS users, Coda is what you'll be using, or we use Replix.com. It's an online editor. Then for the Windows, Mac, Linux users, will be using this application VS Code. Okay, this is the application we'll be using. Now I'll be dropping in the comments of this live stream so that we all know the applications we'll be using. So this is everything we'll be doing. Okay, we'll be using VS Code for our code as our code editor to build and so on. Goes on, we'll be using other technologies such as the Postman technology. Okay, we'll be using a lot of technologies. We'll also be using Postgres, also be using just as the slide I presented shows that we'll be playing with MongoDB for JavaScript, Postgres for general usage, Python and JavaScript dash React, and we'll also be using Google Firebase. So that's it, guys. I think from tomorrow we'll have hands-on practice where we'll be starting off with HTML. So see you guys till then. Drop your comments, your questions, and everything. We'll get back to you in the comment section. Then, meanwhile, check out the comment section. We'll drop links to all the softwares and for the Android guys, for the iOS, and for the web, like for the Windows users or Mac or Linux. So that's it, guys. Till we see tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.